What is up, OFP family? It is Wednesday, the 18th of September of 2024. And Barry and I are going to take a look at these charts like we always do. Barry, are you with me? Did I lose you, Barry? Are you there? Barry, where'd you go? Hold on, guys. We can't seem to hear Barry.
Here.
There you are. Your sound wasn't on for some reason.
Yeah, I was changing internet connection.
Oh, okay. All right. Hello. Good evening, everyone. Hi, Akeem. How are you today? Hey, is it Stella? Good evening, Stella. It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon in Chicago for me, but I know some of you are on the other side of the world. So, hello, Agostinho. All right. So, you guys ready to get into these markets? Barry, you ready?
Yeah, definitely ready.
Let's see what's happening. We got to see what's happening. I am getting off the stage now.
Sure, no problem. So let's get right into it. Let's start first with Euro Kiwi. So we already have like some upcoming GDP quarter on quarter rates that are coming through like in 2 hours. So I'm anticipating Euro Kiwi to probably spike up, going way beyond the channel that we're currently in. We came all the way down. We touched the channel, which was good, and we bounced off of it. And now we seem to be going all the way to the top. We could bounce also on this channel as that come down, but I'm anticipating a break beyond this and actually going all the way up. So that's what I'm seeing on Euro Kiwi. Let's look on Euro Dollar. Euro Dollar, I was stopped out apparently because of an interest rate. And this long wick was the one she did it. So we're literally out of Euro Dollar at this point. So for now, we'll be looking for probably new shorts on Euro Dollar that stem from here to here. Of course, this trend line was broken, but I'm not gonna focus on that one. I would rather have this same wick that has been created, but I would like to see this to probably U-turn and start to make a new high and probably take out this previous high. So I'm anticipating some more upward movement on Euro Dollar. So that's why also Euro Kiwi looks like a very strong buy as well. Let's also look at Dollar Yen. Dollar yen did break our trend line, which is great. It pushed all the way down. Like there's just literally been spikes because of the 50 basis points cut on the Fed interest rates. So yeah, at this point, I will be looking to probably go long very soon on your dollar yen once we actually go right beyond this resistance level. So that's what I'm looking on dollar yen. Let's actually look at pound yen as well. So I think I remember I told everybody that they could enter in a short position on pound yen. And yeah, that's indeed what happened. The market came all the way down, didn't really touch our stop loss, and then it pushed all the way further down, but didn't fully clear up this long wick of this pin bar. We might be back, but maybe not now because now we have two pin bars. So this one will be this is more like a double bottom, but this is more like a 99% fill of the pin bar. So those who got in early and took their profit, banked it even before it reached the deeper level, which was here. So we entered probably somewhere here, then the market came all the way down. Yeah, this would have been a very good position. And yeah, banking your profits right here would have been ideal before this rally happened, going all the way to the upside. But apart from that, let's actually look what we can find on pound yen. Pound yen has actually broken the trend line, which is great. it has not really broken this resistance because this did not make like a new low. So I will not pick this resistance, unfortunately. I'll be rather picking this resistance level over here that we already seem to be breaching. So if we probably breach all the way up above this level, then I will be interested into longing pound yen going to the upside and then probably coming all the way up here. But because of what happened last time, we didn't really actually go all the way up to this level. So we'll probably shift our level probably a little bit higher, probably somewhere. Yeah, yeah, this seems like a good area since this was an area of consolidation. So this can be an ideal area where we might actually come all the way up to. I know this seems far, 202, but never anticipate what the market can do. You saw gold just started shooting all the way up even to 2,600. The take profit was actually at 2,632. We'll look at that in a moment. But for now, looking at what we can actually see here, if we just breach above this, we can actually be coming all the way up here to 202 on pound yen. So that's what I'm actually anticipating. So the next pair we can look at is also Mexican peso. Right now, there's really nothing else to do because we already hit our take profit and we seem to already be in this area which we already are bouncing from. So right now, longs would be more ideal on dollar Mexican. The trend line has already been broken, so this resistance is what we can be looking for to probably go long and then probably make a new high. That's what I'm anticipating with dollar Mexican. But to be safe, probably taking out this resistance level over here would be a very good target on dollar Mexican, and then probably can bounce from here as I just feel we are now going to be entering into a bear market with dollar Mexican, especially with this interest rate cut. So I believe that's what may probably happen. So what I'm anticipating is that the market will probably pull back to this area, then bounce and then come all the way down, probably come back to these support levels that we may be testing. Are you all still with me? Okay, great. Uh, yeah, Augustinho Pello did it. He did it indeed. Right, so let's actually look at gold now. So gold, yeah, this is what happened. We reached the 2600 area that I talked about, but I do think we still have room to probably even reach 2632. So hold your positions. For me, this is either gonna be take it all or take nothing. So we're still holding. This is all premature, by the way. So this is just all news. So this should not scare anyone at this point in time. So, like I said, with euro dollar, same scenario. It may have spiked all the way down, but there's no proper structure whatsoever. So I'm actually seeing this market to start now pulling back slowly, coming all the way up, and then probably take out this previous high and then move beyond and probably come to 2632. We can even probably be seeing levels of 2660, 2670 before we even actually come all the way down, probably back into this area of 2500. So that's what I'm anticipating with gold at this moment. Still bullish on it despite what the market is doing. So CAD Swiss, we got stopped out. Well, I believe we had to be stopped out. Surprisingly, we are still in because we actually came way below the support level. So I don't know. I'll still probably keep it open, but we had to be stopped out. That's one thing I could tell you. But I guess it will just shy by like maybe 1 or 2 pips and we didn't get stopped out, but I believe we had to get stopped out according to how I saw the charts. So right now, if you're looking to probably long CAD Swiss again, this is what we'll be looking for the market to probably reach, which it's already doing right now. So we would be waiting for that breach, then a break of this resistance, then maybe we can continue all the way up, but all the way up here. This is an area that still is of major importance. Since it was a consolidation area, that's one. And yeah, it just seems like an area that will be coming to, since we also failed to reach this area over here. So this will be probably our second, third chance to actually enter. We are literally making a double bottom here. Can this still hold? I don't know. Let's just wait for probably resistance to be broken, then probably enter in it again and see where the market takes us. Which other pair have I not covered? Let me see here. Let me check my watch list. So I've covered dollar yen, dollar Mexican, euro, dollar, pound, and oh, I've actually covered all of them. Let's actually look at NAS 100. So with NAS 100, because of that pole shift, everything has gone messy. So I'm sure also Bitcoin is slightly down, but we'll actually look at that as well in a bit. So we're still looking to take out this previous high. So that's what I'm anticipating on NAS 100. Nothing much to do here. Let's look at US 30 and see if there are any other opportunities. I'm sure there's also a spike down. Yes, we do have a spike down. We did manage to make a new high as we were anticipating. This was what? Yeah. We did make a new high, which was good. So at this point in time, what we can anticipate is same scenario. I would say the exact same scenario. We'll be looking for this market to probably do a U-turn and probably take out this previous high. That's what I'm anticipating, unless the market wants to go crazy and actually dump and then take us all the way down to here. So if I do see the market come all the way down here, then we can be short, because that means that the market will continue if we go below this support level. Only support level. As long as this support level is holding, then everything around this area is a long. So if you have to get long now, this would be actually ideal. Yeah, so if I were you, I would get long now and aim all the way up here. So everything, just the majority of everything that was affected by the Fed interest rate is looking to make a new high after the move that happened. So unless we come below here, then the bias will actually change. So everything, and I repeat, everything that is within this area is a buy to the upside to take out the high on US 30. That's what I am anticipating, and we shall definitely see. So even if it pushes further down, this could be just discount prices to actually buy it and make a new high over here. But if we do cross below here, then we can call it quits. So that is my scenario at US 30. So let's actually look, before even Augustino tells me that, let's look at dollar index. Yeah, let's actually look at dollar index and Bitcoin right now. All right. So dollar index. So dollar index started pushing all the way down, even despite breaking of this. So we have the Fed interest rate released now. So what's next? That's the question. So same scenario. This is an artificial spike going to the upside. So I'm actually seeing the market reverse and then probably taking out this low, because we had like 1, 2, 3. This was the third touch that breached right through it. So what do you expect really? It wasn't like a rejection. It was a direct breach below this level. And this is a pin bar. So this is, the market is closed, I believe. No, it's still open on dollar index. So it's got 44 minutes. There's no way it's gonna come all the way down here and be something else apart from a pin bar. So this is like a direct pin bar that needs to be filled. Same with the other pairs. I believe if we even look at gold one more time, yeah, I think that's one thing I forgot to mention. Yeah, this is a pin bar, but not a very good pin bar. But either ways, same scenario. Euro dollar. Yeah, this is a pin bar. This is a pin bar. So everything around this area is a buy. So forget this trend line. This is just the area we're looking at right here. This area here. So everything here is a buy. Everything here is a buy. So don't waste any time. Just buy it, take out the previous high. This is a very good signal to the upside. Same as dollar index, same as gold. Yeah, I'm preaching against Powell right now. Yeah, same as dollar index, same as gold. Yeah, same as Bitcoin. Pin bar right there. So everything in this area is a buy. You thank me later. Right, so I guess our analysis is practically done, but I think let's look at the last one, which is oil. It's like we have now created a whole new list of pairs to look at, thanks to Augustina. So let's add that Brent. So we have had the breach here, which is good. We reach the resistance, which is good, and we seem to just like actually be continuing with this upward trend. So I'm actually thinking the bearish period is actually over. We might probably now be long on oil, especially with the interest rate and the fact that there is a pin bar. So longing oil right now would be quite ideal. Yeah, so we might actually be seeing this area being taken out as well. This area right here. And this one here and this one there. I just think everything at this point going all the way up to $82 per barrel is what we're looking at on oil. Yeah, we have gone a bit over time just because we have been looking into depth, but this is not a Sunday analysis. But yeah, I guess I've covered it all. So this is basically the analysis once more. Yeah, so yeah, our watch list has been updated now. It's good to make things a little bit interesting. So we do have our main watch list, which is dollar Mexican, dollar yen, euro dollar, CAD, Swiss, pound yen, and rand. But now we have our additional watch list, which includes NAS 100, US 30, dollar index, Bitcoin, and Brent. I think we're going to end here and not go above this watch list. Oh, we also have Euro Kiwi because of Ria. Yeah, she loves Euro Kiwi. She liked Aussie Swiss. You can come back onto the stage, Ria.
Hi. I
Yes.
mean, yeah, I guess.
Euro Kiwi is your thing now. Yeah, GJ was analyzed. It was nice and quick. We didn't have to go deep into it, Augustina.
I've actually been waiting for that British pound, that, oh my gosh, that pound yen move. I've been waiting for that.
Since
So,
forever, right?
I don't know. I just know that I noticed it maybe like a couple days ago. And I said, ooh, this will be a nice setup. So I'm kind of just waiting for my confirmation to enter. And yeah,
Okay, cause
that will be a nice one.
yeah, cause Yeah, ideally, pound yen has been in a downward move for quite a while. We
Hmm.
had some fakies over here, and then we continued pushing up. But I think this was just a discount to
Mhm.
take us back all the way up. So yeah, I do think we have much potential going all the way to 202.
Well, we'll see, how it plays out, but definitely I'm looking forward to, you know, entering that one. And I'm watching Euro Kiwi to see how that turns around. So we'll see.
Okay, great, great, great. Well, our analysis ends here. We thank everyone for joining us this evening, and we'll be seeing everyone on Sunday.
Yeah, see you guys on Sunday.